Then you say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Then why are you covering your face?
What I take it?
Is like 2 hours of gathering together to welcome and will. So I need boys 5 and girls 5. Okay.
Ready? Start!
Ito, isa ka po to?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, boys, boys! Boys! Okay. 10 boys and 10 girls. Hurry up. Okay. What you're going to do, I will command. I will command. I will say head. Head. Shoulder. Knees. Come. So if one will take first, that's the first one, then one. And then in that we will go. Okay. Okay, okay. Then, another side and then on the other side. Hurry up, hurry up. The first, the one left, that's the winner. Okay?
Girls versus boys.
Okay, girls versus boys.
Yeah, partner.
Again, the boys, how many boys? Just few. Okay. Too many bucks. Hey girls, you join.
A Merry Christmas!
Okay, okay. How many now? How many bucks? More than 10. How many? Is enough? The other one.
Ready? Head. Head. Shoulder. Shoulder. Knee. Knee. Head. Oh, running now, running. Look at your partner if they're going to be.
So if it's
Okay.
if mistake out, right?
Let's take her out, huh? Okay. That's assemble. Final. Could you please straight to the cup? You straight the cup. Ah, that's too close. Another cup. Be honest, be honest. Okay, ready? Head, knee, 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 head, cup. How many? Okay, those are not holding cups out. And take your partner. Would you pick your partner and give me the other cups? You know, I have another game for this cup. How many left? Would you please count how many left? How many left? One more. How many left? Count yourselves. How many left? You guys, take a line, because I will count how many. Okay, how many left? Take a line again. Which partner? Continue. Line. How many left?
Winner for first set.
Hurry.
Winner for the first set.
You're out. Okay, out.
Just the winners.
You have partner? Only this one? Hurry up. So, take her with a partner. You don't have partner? Go there. You didn't have partner? Okay, you out. No partner. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you have cup there? You have cup?
You operate it. Vinya. You operate it. You know how to operate?
Okay.
No. You know how to operate? You operate?
Okay, now. Knee. Head. Knee. Head. Shoulder. Head. Shoulder. Knee. Okay, those are not holding up. You go out. You go out. Okay, two of you go out. You did not hold the cup. So you go out. Yes.
Sama na eh.
Shoulder, knee, cup. Okay. Could you please come forward, those who are attending the gift? Okay, from the bottom to number 18. 18.
Come.
Okay, next is from Unilam to number 10. Number 19. 19. Dance.
Novo to pray our food. Mr. Novo, will you please pray our food? I complain, okay? After this, everyone may something in our classroom.